How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. This week I have a beautiful, fantastic, so simple to do winter warmer. It really is. It's that simple. And the outcome of it is absolutely stunning. It's unbelievable. I think it's one of the easiest dishes I've done on Steve's Cooking. It's that simple. I use some beautiful chicken thighs, boneless, skin off, some lamb sausages, tomatoes, tons of sage, onion, some fond from the pan, a little bit of stock, just to lift it, and then roast it. It really is. The outcome is stunning. I hope you give this a try. Sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks, guys. For this recipe, I'll be using boneless chicken thighs and lamb sausages. Season well. Add olive oil to a hot pan. Add chicken. Sausages. And sage. Now cook until golden brown. When golden brown, transfer to a roasting tray. In the same pan, add half a cut onion and a garlic bulb. Now again, cook until golden brown. Transfer to the roasting tray, followed by cherry tomatoes and more sage. Next, add beef stock to the same pan, followed by red wine vinegar. Bring to a boil and reduce by half. This will release the fond to create a delicious sauce. Pour over. At the end, add the vine from the tomatoes to create more flavour. Chili flakes for a little heat. Salt, pepper and olive oil. Now place in the oven and cook. You can serve this dish with anything, and my favourites are new potatoes with butter and basil. Add potatoes to lightly salted water, bring to a boil and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Drain, slice in half and transfer to a bowl. Add unsalted butter, mix well until melted. Season to taste. And to finish, add thinly sliced basil. So there you have it, so easy, rustic, delicious, beautiful. Give it a go. Thanks, guys. So there you have it. That's my first autumn meal of the year, packed full of flavour and so delicious. Thanks, guys.